Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
Navigating the American dream, H-1B visas, and starting a business. The American dream. It's a beacon of hope for people all over the world. The idea of coming to the United States to build a better life is a powerful motivator for many. Many dream of coming to the United States to build a better life. They envision a place where hard work and determination can lead to success and prosperity. For some, that dream includes starting their own business. The entrepreneurial spirit is alive and well among immigrants who bring fresh ideas and perspectives to the American marketplace. But navigating the complexities of U.S. immigration and business law can be daunting. The legal landscape is filled with intricate rules and regulations that can be overwhelming. This is especially true for those here on temporary work visas like the H-1B. The H-1B visa allows skilled workers to live and work in the United States, but it comes with its own set of challenges. This guide will help you understand the ins and outs of starting a limited liability company, or LLC, as an H-1B visa holder. We'll break down the steps you need to take to get your business off the ground. We'll cover everything from the basics of H-1B visas and LLCs to the legal requirements and potential benefits and risks. Understanding these elements is crucial for your success. We'll even share some inspiring stories of people who've successfully navigated this path. These stories will show you that it is possible to achieve your entrepreneurial dreams, even with the hurdles you may face. So if you're an H-1B visa holder with an entrepreneurial spirit, read on. This guide is designed to be your roadmap, helping you turn your business ideas into reality. From understanding the legal framework to finding the right resources and support, we've got you covered. Whether you're just starting to explore the idea of launching a business or you're ready to take the plunge, this guide will provide you with the information and inspiration you need to succeed. So let's get started on this exciting journey together. The H-1B visa, your ticket to work in America. The H-1B visa is a non-immigrant visa. It allows U.S. companies to employ foreign workers in specialty occupations. These occupations generally require specialized knowledge and a bachelor's degree or higher. Think fields like technology, engineering, finance, and medicine. Each year, the U.S. government sets a cap on the number of H-1B visas issued. The lucky recipients are chosen through a lottery system. If you're selected, you can live and work in the U.S. for a specific period. This is typically 3 years, with the possibility of extension. The H-1B visa is a great opportunity for skilled professionals to gain valuable experience in the U.S. But it's important to remember that it is a temporary visa. It's designed for temporary employment, not permanent residency. LLCs, what they are and why they're popular. LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a type of business structure that's very popular in the U.S. Why? Because it offers the limited liability protection of a corporation with the simplicity and flexibility of a sole proprietorship or partnership. What does limited liability mean? It means that your personal assets, like your house or car, are protected from business debts and lawsuits. This protection is a major perk for entrepreneurs. It allows them to take risks without putting their personal finances in jeopardy. LLCs are also relatively easy to set up and run. They have less paperwork and fewer compliance requirements than corporations. This makes them an attractive option for small business owners and first-time entrepreneurs. Can H-1B visa holders really start an LLC? This is the million-dollar question, right? Many H-1B visa holders come to the United States with dreams of entrepreneurship and innovation. They often wonder if they can start their own business while maintaining their visa status. And the answer is yes, but with a few caveats. It's not as straightforward as it might seem, and there are several legal nuances to consider. While the U.S. government doesn't explicitly prohibit H-1B visa holders from forming LLCs, there are some important rules and restrictions to keep in mind. The key is understanding what you can and cannot do under your visa status. First, remember the H-1B's primary purpose, to allow you to work for the sponsoring U.S. employer. This means your primary job and source of income should come from the company that sponsored your visa. Starting an LLC is not considered a violation of this rule. You can legally form an LLC, but the activities you engage in through the LLC are where things get tricky. However, actively working for your own LLC and drawing a salary could be problematic. This is because it can be interpreted as violating the terms of your visa, which restricts employment to your sponsoring company. This is because the H-1B visa is specifically tied to your employment with the sponsoring employer. Engaging in work outside of this arrangement, especially if it involves earning a salary, can jeopardize your visa status. So, what does this mean in practice? It means you can own and operate an LLC while on an H-1B visa, but you need to be cautious about how you manage and participate in the business. It means you can own and operate an LLC while on an H-1B visa. You can be involved in high-level decision-making and strategic planning, but you should avoid day-to-day operational roles that could be seen as employment. But you can't rely on it as your primary source of income. Your main job should remain with your H-1B sponsoring employer, and any income from the LLC should be secondary. You need to maintain your H-1B status by working for your sponsoring employer. This ensures that you are in compliance with the terms of your visa and can continue to legally reside and work in the United States. It's also a good idea to consult with an immigration attorney who can provide personalized advice based on your specific situation. They can help you navigate the complexities of visa regulations and business ownership. Additionally, staying informed about any changes in immigration laws and policies is crucial. The landscape of immigration law can change, and staying updated will help you make informed decisions about your business and visa status. Attending seminars and workshops on H-1B visa compliance and business ownership can also be beneficial. These events often provide valuable insights and networking opportunities with other H-1B visa holders and legal experts. In summary, while H-1B visa holders can start an LLC, it's important to do so with a clear understanding of the legal restrictions and requirements. With careful planning and the right guidance, you can pursue your entrepreneurial dreams without jeopardizing your visa status. Remember, the key to success is staying informed and compliant. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey. The How-To Guide Forming Your LLC as an H-1B Visa Holder. Starting a business can be an exciting yet daunting task, especially if you're navigating the complexities of doing so on an H-1B visa. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process step by step. Ready to take the plunge and form your LLC? Here's a step-by-step guide. This guide will help you understand the essential steps and considerations you need to keep in mind as an H-1B visa holder. 1. Choose a business name. This is the first and one of the most crucial steps in forming your LLC. Your business name is not just a label, it represents your brand and identity in the market. This might seem obvious, but it's an important first step. A well-thought-out name can set the tone for your business and make a lasting impression on your customers. Make sure your chosen name isn't already taken by another business in your state. You can do this by checking your state's business name database online. It's also a good idea to check for trademark issues to avoid any legal complications down the road. 2. File articles of organization. This is a critical step in legally establishing your LLC. The Articles of Organization is a formal document that outlines the basic details of your business. This official document legally establishes your LLC. It serves as the foundation of your business's legal structure. You'll file it with your state's Secretary of State office, and it typically requires basic information about your business, like its name, address, and purpose. Make sure to double-check all the information before submission to avoid any delays. 3. Get an Employer Identification Number, or EIN. This number is essential for various business activities. Think of this as your business's social security number. It's a unique identifier that the IRS uses to track your business's tax obligations. You'll need an EIN if you plan on hiring employees, opening a business bank account, or filing taxes for your LLC. It's a straightforward process that you can complete online through the IRS website. 4. Open a business bank account. This step is crucial for managing your finances effectively. Keeping your personal and business finances separate is crucial, especially for liability reasons. A dedicated business bank account helps you maintain clear financial records, which is essential for tax purposes and financial planning. 5. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Depending on your business type and location, you might need specific licenses or permits to operate legally. Depending on your business type and location, you might need specific licenses or permits to operate legally. This can include local, state, and federal licenses, so make sure to research thoroughly. Remember, this is just a simplified overview. The process can vary depending on your specific situation and the state in which you're forming your LLC. It's essential to consult with an experienced business attorney to ensure you're following all applicable laws and regulations. They can provide valuable insights and help you navigate any legal hurdles you might encounter. Forming an LLC as an H-1B visa holder is entirely possible with the right guidance and preparation. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.